Hi, welcome to Zoom Phone Rollout for India. I am Simran Shivalkar, your host for today. I have with me Mr. Domnic Lopes. He is the co-founder and investor at Domnic Lewis Pvt Limited. Firstly, Donald, thank you so much for joining me.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, I want to understand your initial thoughts. What brought you to this event and what were you most curious about the Zoom Phone launch?
See, we are using a lot of tools today in our company, but they don't talk with each other. So we have a CRM not talking with our calling software. We don't have good calling software which can track the calls. Plus, we don't have so many tools to call in India today. We lack tools, though we have tools for outside India. So I'm looking for integrated solutions. I know Zoom has been pivotal in starting new solutions for global enterprise requirements. So I thought that why not try and check out what Zoom has in store for us. And I thought if Zoom is a market leader in communication, Zoom should come up with some solutions which will help me to resolve all the problems I have, especially because my team members take a lot of calls, not just in India, but outside India to multiple countries. So hopefully they should help us to integrate all the different software, SaaS softwares which we use, especially in communications, together.
Fantastic. And speaking of integration or integrated platforms, from your point of view, how important is platform integration when we talk about calls, messaging and meetings, and inculcating it in your team's day-to-day productivity?
I strongly believe that integration is very important. For example, what we have seen is when the tools are not integrated, the people putting the same data from multiple tools, and the same data has to be put again and again into multiple tools. When you have integration, the systems start talking with each other, and a lot of work or rework is saved because of integration. I strongly believe that the calling software has to talk with the CRM. The CRM has to take data from probably data collecting softwares like intent collecting softwares, and the CRM then has to be connected to our ERP. But in our case, it is ATS system. So if these systems don't talk with each other, the same data is put into the system again and again. So absolutely integration is very important for efficiency. And in this competitive world, if we don't integrate our systems, we'll end up having a lot of inefficiency in the system.
Rightly said. So, Donald, thank you so much for joining me and sharing your perspective today.
Thank you.